Update muna tayo dito guys. Beside din sa Pardo Church. Grabe ka traffic din na pita guys. Di mo iro gumusakyanan. No movement. No movement. Traffic kayo dito no movement. No movement. Traffic situation in Pardo. Traffic kayo. Adlaw Merkulis dini sa Pardo. Yan mga nagulat ko dito ay. Continue traffic situation for today. Today is Wednesday. Come and join to Cebu. Nice country. Traffic consumption by Pardo National Road. Mandawi po nila dre.